LG's new 2011 front-loading washing machine. Without belts and pulleys, LG's CoreTech inverter direct drive system delivers power directly from the motor to the drum, allowing LG's washing machine to be more durable and powerful. The inverter direct drive comes with a 10-year warranty. In conjunction with the inverter control system and load detection, the inverter direct drive motor delivers sizable energy savings. LG's new front-loading washing machine increases the inner drum volume by as much as 12 kilograms, while keeping the external dimensions the same as a conventional 7-kilogram washing machine. And also, LG's new washing machine remarkably reduces noise and vibration. It provides excellent washing performance with 6-motion direct drive technology. Scrubbing, filtration, swing, tumbling, rolling, and stepping. True steam technology gently but powerfully penetrates fabrics for a deeper cleanness, while also offering a freshening cycle that reduces wrinkles and odors. No more hassles, no more revisits from the service center. LG's unique smart diagnosis identifies product errors or problems quickly and efficiently over the phone. Washing your clothes is now much easier with LG's new powerful yet energy-efficient washing machine.